channel. So today I'll be doing a tutorial on this colorful makeup. You guys asked me to do more tutorials using the James Charles palette. So here's one of the looks I'll be showing you guys today. Of course, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I created this look. But yeah, I'm so obsessed with it because I added glitter. I also paired it up with this orange lipstick and it matches my shirt like so good. I just had a great day today. Like, the video came out really good and I don't know, it's just so pretty outside. It's kind of windy, but I don't know, you know, it's been a great day. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. For primer today, I'm going to be using the Benefit Porefessional. Wow, I haven't used this primer in such a long time. By the way, this is actually a brand new Porefessional, but I'm really happy I started using this primer again because it's still a great primer. I love the way it feels. It's so soft and it leaves my skin, my face, super smooth. So I highly recommend it. And for foundation, I'll be using my L'Oreal Infallible. This one is the, let me check. Oh, it's the 24-hour fresh wear foundation. I've been so obsessed with this foundation. I can't stop using it. It's my favorite at the moment, and I'm in the color 440. And then moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter concealer, and I'm in the color 235. For bronzer today, I'm going to be using a new one. This one is the Hoola Caramel Bronzer by Benefit. Yes, caramel bronzer. Oh my gosh. Sorry. For blush today, I'm going to be using Luminoso by Milani. I love this blush. It's one of my favorites, especially right now because it's spring and this is like the perfect blush. I love it. And for highlight, I'm going to be using my highlighting palette by Covergirl. This highlighting palette, I mean, it's so good. Like, you guys have no idea how bomb it is. I'll have it listed down below so you guys could check it out. Moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm going to start with applying this eyeshadow called Ring Light all over my brow bone. You guys know I started doing this recently. I love doing this first, so I'm going to be doing that right now. Okay, so let's begin with this eyeshadow look. So the first color I'll be applying on my crease is going to be this yellow eyeshadow, and the brush I'll be using today to blend this color is going to be this Bibella RG220 brush, and I actually really like this brush. It blends the eyeshadow really good. Next, I'm going to be applying this orange eyeshadow on my crease, but I'm going to be using this really tiny little brush. I actually, at first, I'm not gonna lie, I was like, what the hell, like, what am I gonna use this little brush for? Like, I didn't like it, but I recently started using it and I just been so obsessed. I was like, I shouldn't have said anything because now I love it. Wow, I'm over here telling you guys how great this brush is, but I haven't even told you guys where it's actually from. So this brush is from Sigma Beauty and it's an E36 blending brush. I'm going to be applying this highlighter on the inner corners of my eye. This highlighter is by Fenty Beauty and it's called Trophy Wife. And this is pretty much going as a base because I will be adding glitter in a little bit. And this is just going to make the glitter stand out a lot more. For the glitter, look how beautiful. Wow, it's just so pretty. I'm going to be applying this glitter by Colourpop on the inner corners of my eye. For lips today, I'm going to be using this lip liner by Kylie and it's called 22. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using this Ofra liquid lipstick and it's called Miami Fever. To finish up this makeup tutorial, I'm going to set my makeup, and I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Once that is done, I am all finished with this tutorial. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me, and I'll see you guys on my next video.